Hi everyone, my name is Xavier Break and Toma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. Um, I hope this is actually going to find you well. Today I want to emphasize on the utmost significance of continuously developing yourself with new technology and learning fresh softwares and acquiring additional skills. In our rapidly evolving world, failure to adapt may lead to being replaced and becoming obsolete sooner than even when you anticipate. Technology advances swiftly, bringing forth innovative tools and techniques that should reshape industries. In order for you to really remain relevant, it is crucial to keep pace with this advancement. So, embracing these new technologies and harnessing their power enables us to work with great efficiency, productivity, and even creativity. Those who choose to stagnate risk falling behind their peers and ultimately becoming irrelevant in their professional sphere. Furthermore, learning new software and skills it expands our knowledge base and enhances our problem solving abilities. It not only broadens our horizons, but also empowers us to tackle complex challenges in novel ways. These skills often become essential prerequisites in today's competitive job market. By equipping ourselves with this latest knowledge, we position ourselves strongly for success, both current and future. Remember, investing in self-development is an investment in our own future. By continuously updating our skill sets, we ensure that we remain at the forefront of our field, presenting ourselves as valuable assets to employers and clients alike. Let's embrace new technology and commit to lifelong learning. For it's through these endeavors that we stay relevant, valuable, and adaptable in an ever-changing world. So I'm wishing you a fulfilling journey of continuous growth and success. Best regards.